Hello students, I just explained to you Dust of Snow. So I would like to continue with the next poem by Robert Frost, that is Fire and Ice. How simple the words seem, fire and ice. In my previous poem, Dust of Snow, I just told you the words in the poem have symbolic meanings. Okay? उनका symbolic meaning means different meaning होता है. जैसे sun का मतलब जरूरी नहीं sun ही हो. Sun can be power. Sun can be light. Sun can be strength. ऐसे ही in this poem we will study the different meanings of fire and ice. What does Robert Frost want to say? Robert Frost is a man of religion, एक धार्मिक poet है, right? He follows religion too. He writes different kinds of poems, but here he is presenting his pessimistic view. And what he says, let us see. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. The poem starts with a word that seems like unclear to us. Some, kuch, kaun, some means some people. The beginning of the poem is some means some people. Second line also, there's a word some. Some means kuch means kaun, kuch log. Who are these some? देखो बेटा, there has always been a war between religion and science. Okay, so in this poem we find that on the one hand there are some people who are religious, on the other hand there are some scientists. So the beginning is some say means the men of religion, according to Bible it is here, according to Bible or the men of religion say that the world will end in fire. जो religious people हैं, धार्मिक लोगों की ये धारणा है कि इस वर्ल्ड का एक दिन एंड होगा और वो एंड होगा फायर की वजह से. फायर ऐसे तो सन भी एक बॉल ऑफ फायर है, इसका मतलब सन एक्सप्लोड हो जाएगा क्या? नो, इट इज नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ फायर. So it is not a wildfire even. So this is what? Fire is desire, greed, लालच. Conflict means views हमारे opinions जो match नहीं करते हैं. Avarice का मतलब भी होता है immense greed, बहुत ज़्यादा भूख किसी चीज़ की. It can be लालच like for wealth, for power, like that. Fury means anger, गुस्सा. Cruelty, जैसे हम कहते हैं cruelty against animals, cruelty even against nature. So this is, in fact, some people think एक दिन ये world जो है, जैसे आजकल बोल रहे हैं कोरोना वायरस जो है ये कलयुग का end करने के लिए आया है, ऐसे ही लोगों के अपने अपने views हैं. Some people say the world will come to an end because of fire का मतलब कि इंसान की जो बहुत ज़्यादा इच्छाएं हैं, लालच है, तो उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा conflicted thoughts हैं, that he feels himself supreme like that. Second, some say means कुछ लोग, वो कौन से लोग? साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं कि अभी हम तक हमारे 2 वर्ल्ड वॉर्स हो चुके हैं. साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं एक और वर्ल्ड वॉर होगा और उस थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर में the world will come to an end. So second line में some say in ice. ice का मतलब वॉर कब होता है? जब इंसान में क्या होता है? Hatred, dislike. Some scientists say the world will come to an end when there will be hatred among the people because of ice. Ice means despise. Despise का मतलब hate. Coldness. Ice का मतलब cold होता है, right? Something cold. But ये coldness है, इस coldness का मतलब having no emotions, no feelings, no sentiments, hatred or indifference. सबका meaning same है. Some people think, some scientists think world will come to an end because of you can say conflict among different people. It can be because of hatred that is set among the people, or it can be being cruel to each other. How we find these days, man becomes enemy of another man. There is growing enmity because of lot of reason. It can be materialism. It can be because of lot of thoughts which are negative and breed in man's mind. So like that. The poet says to say that for destruction. Now the poet says destruction. Destruction here means the end of the world. The poet says for destruction. Ice is also great and would suffice. Poet says ice is also great means war can also be very, very destructive. Destructive means it can be immensely harmful. It can be very devastating. पोइट कहते हैं मेरा ओपिनियन फायर के साथ है बट आइस की वजह से भी the world can come to an end and that would suffice. Suffice means sufficient, काफी, enough होना, and that is also enough. So the poet mean to say that there can be some nuclear war also someday. The world will come to an end. So what is the message that is conveyed in the poem? That is, end is certain. End to confirm hai world ka. This world will change and there will be a new age. जैसे कहते हैं ना, before human beings were born, there was ice age. Ice age. Ice age के बाद human beings एक new age में आए. Right? So there are different ages that are set. So in this way, ये जो age चल रहा है, ये bad age जो चल रहा है, कलयुग जिसे हम कहते हैं, कल है का युग या काला युग, like it is said, this will come to an end. And human beings should do what? In such kind of bad period, human beings should do meditation. They should pray to God and they should get rid of negativity. Get rid of negativity means ये जो सब की सब negative emotions, feelings हैं, इन सब से we have to fight. हमको इन सब से दूर होना है. Then only we can have peace of mind. Okay, student? So as before, you will try to learn these words, consider them as new vocabulary words, and you will write in 2 different paragraphs the meanings of the stanzas. Okay, that is called paraphrase. आप उसको simple ऐसे लिखेंगे, stanza 1, फिर एक paragraph, stanza 2, second paragraph. Right? I hope all of you definitely understood. In the next class, I would start with the 3rd chapter. 3rd chapter I would prefer first. The 3rd chapter, that's very simple, and I hope all of you will read. That is divided in 2 parts, okay? 2 stories about flying. All of you will read the first part. First part hai first flight, okay? His first flight wala part आप read करेंगे, then I will start that chapter. My preference will be to do literature with you. Grammar तो side by side cover होती जाती. Grammar still I believe that all of you can do. We will do practice there in the class. Since you people don't have books of grammar, that's why my preference will not be that. मेरे हर sentence में एक grammar छुपी हुई है. Just आप यही just understand करो, okay? Grammar we shall do. Writing skills, there are just 2 questions of writing skills. That is still easy. But literature के we have more than 30 chapters. So it is very, very important. Chapters एक बार आप जरूर cover कर लेंगे. This is my request to all of you. Thank you, students.